Thomas, are you there?
Yes, sir. Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
All right. Let's see what's going on with this remote control. On the iPhone now. First and foremost, on the iPhone. What is your name, please?
Micah Green.
Okay, ma'am.
Looking for
Green.
Sergeant Rios. He's going to
Miss
check
Green?
Yes.
Tell him come
All right,
to
and what is your first name?
Micah.
Yeah, tell him
Michael, good morning. Okay, we do not do bonnets, okay?
He should be
Yes.
around now.
All right, so please remove the bonnet. You can turn your camera off and get yourself together if you choose to.
Okay.
Very. All right, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna try to do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews first, all right? Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus James and Andre Loomis. Case numbers SP 111-48151 and U67352223. Appearance, let me state your name for the record, please. James Andre Loomis.
Correct.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were, I don't have the file here in front of me. You either were supposed to pay or do some community service. Which one was it?
You had me do community service, Your Honor.
Did you complete the community service? Okay, yes, you did. All right, I have that report here. It says 24 hours of community service. It says you did 42 hours of community service.
That's what you ordered, Your Honor, and Ms. Green made a mistake and gave me 24, but I explained it to my supervisor for the community service that you said 42. So she gave me 42 hours of community service.
Well, I don't know where that got mixed up in translation. I have written here 24 hours of community service, but nevertheless, you've gone above and beyond in the court's eyes, and I appreciate that. Maybe not in your eyes because you thought that's what I said, and maybe I did say it and made a mistake, but I'm gonna close. All right, go ahead.
No, I believe that you had said 24, 12, you had broken down like 3 different tickets. You broke it down 24, 12, and whatever, but it came up to 42.
All right, well, I know the people over at the Lighthouse appreciate that. I hope that you got some gratification out of helping some people in the community. And what we're gonna do is we're going to do what we said we were gonna do. And close out the case. close out both cases, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck in the future and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're free to leave. I'm waiting on Mr. Lears. I'm waiting on Mr. Sciotti to come on down, okay? All right, give me the city of Detroit versus Fred Lee McLaughlin Garwood Jr., case number SP 166144661, SP 166145551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garwood.
Probably needs to unmute himself. Send him the prompt. I'll do it. Send you the prompt. Unmute yourself, Mr.
Fred Lee
Garwood.
McLaughlin Garwood Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Garwood seems to have gotten a speeding ticket along with this. It is 11 to 15 over. And it's probably in default. The court will have no issue with setting that default aside if people do not object, so he can be heard on that. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Garwood, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, no objection.
All right, no objection to that. So you'll get that opportunity to deal with that case. Mr. Garwood, when you get the prompt, join the breakout room and speak with Mr. Berry, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Jacob Lee Garner Jr., case number SP 165-82901. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor?
Good
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Garner. Please state your name for the record.
Jacob Lee Garner Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Garner, this is a case where if you pled guilty, found guilty, as charged to the firearms ordinance violation, which the allegations suggest that Mr. Garner discharged a firearm in the city limits, I'm gonna fine you the maximum $500 in order you to take a gun safety course, sir. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, have a conversation with her. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, please.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Sciotti.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ringo Lexi Laniers, case number Z8087551. Appearance, let me state your name for the record, please.
Judge, my name is Ken Sciotti. I am the assigned probation officer on this case.
All right, Mr. Laniers, good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Morning, Lexi Linares.
Linares. Mr. Linares, how's it going?
Ever since I pled guilty to the case, I was in Illinois, Waukegan, Illinois. I moved to New Jersey now. I informed my probation officer from before, O'Driscoll. She knows, and I completed both the models against drunk driving, and I did the alcohol safety level 1, course. So both certificates, I sent them.
Okay. What about testing?
The testing, O'Driscoll, she couldn't find me a place in Waukegan. So she told me she was going to find me a place here in North Bergen, New Jersey. And I've been out of work for 4 months. Today, I have orientation for my first job. It's at 10 o'clock this morning. I had to move because I had no work, Ever since I pled guilty, they suspended my school bus permit, and I wasn't able to stay in Waukegan, Illinois. because I was working as a school bus driver. So finally I found a job here in New Jersey, and today's my first day. At 10 o'clock. This morning.
Give me an updated address, please.
Okay, it's 2643 Kennedy Boulevard, apartment 4S, North Bergen, New Jersey, 07047.
Say that, what part of New Jersey?
And North Bergen. North Bergen.
Spell it.
It's North, North, and then Bergen, Bergen.
And what's the zip code there?
It's 07047. 07047.
Very good. All right, Mr. Schiatti, good morning to you. What do you have to report for Mr. Ramirez?
Good morning, Judge. Judge, I am the recently assigned probation officer on this case about 10 days ago. This defendant is now 3 months into his 6-month probation, and there's no fines or cost or fees paid yet. And he did complete the victims impact panel, which he stated. He stated that he's done the alcohol highway safety. We don't have any proof of that yet. He could have did it by Zoom, but we haven't got proof yet. We don't know where he's done it because the probation department does not have proof of the alcohol highway safety. In regards to testing, since he lives in another state, that's something that the defendant is going to have to find a place to do some type of testing at. I did speak with him, so he did report as directed. He did report to Officer Driscoll. I did speak to him a couple days ago for the first time. I referred him to the district court in his area for a possible referral or any other place he may find for testing. So we're down to testing, we're down to alcohol highway safety, and then we're down to that he owes $550 of fines, costs, and fees. That's where we're at. He still has 3 more months to go on probation.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, this testing thing has been an issue. And I still, everybody has said that it was difficult and they didn't have any place in Waukegan, Illinois, which is still for me hard to believe, but all of the officers that were involved, including yourself, have said that, and they've checked that out. But you're in New Jersey now, and New Jersey, I gotta think they got a lot of places for you to test. So we're gonna get this testing back on track, because I need to know what you're out there. What kind of job are you looking to get today?
This morning I have training. I'm in motivation, but next week I'm gonna be working 1 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. But this week,
what type of job?
What type of job?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be driving a high-low for a warehouse. They receive a lot of groceries and dairy products. It's a big company.
But what I want to make sure you're not, when you're driving for work, when you're driving to and from work and in your free time, that you're not drinking. And I haven't got, listen, I don't want to, we're not, I'm going to let you get out of here and get to your interview. What I'm telling you is I want you to get with Mr. Schiatti. I want you to come back next month at, on March the 4th. I want some testing done once a week. Mr. Schiatti, is Monday. Is that April? Oh, that's Miss Mathis. April the 4th. Review at 8:25. I need some testing done. I need once a week. Mr. Schiatti, let's get that together. Get in touch with Mr. Schiatti. Let's get that done. April the 4th, 2025 at 8:25. Mr. Ramirez, best of luck to you on the job interview, and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
Do you have any further questions?
George?
Yes.
Yes, I was gonna point out that when I plead guilty to the case, they suspended my license, so I'm not driving. So I had to.
That doesn't tell me anything. I get people in here every single day, all day, Sunday and on Sunday, that drive without a license, Mr. Linares.
Okay, yeah, but just one more thing. When I spoke to O'Driscoll, remember I was testing on my own. I was paying out of my pocket, in Illinois, when I was working to keep my job. But I told her, since the judge said twice a month, can I go on the 1st and the 15th? She told me, no, it's gonna be random. We're gonna tell you when to go. So I've been waiting for them to tell me when to go get tested, because I was willing to do it on my own, but they haven't given me a place.
You understand how that works, right? If you say I'm going on the 1st and the 15th, that test goes back 3 days. So you could go drink it up 4 days before the test and we'll never know. That's why it's random, sir. So get with Mr. Schiatti. I'll still accept it 2 times a month, but I need some testing done, all right?
Sure, as soon as they tell me where to go, I'll go.
Mr. Schiatti, he's on it. You all keep in contact and he'll update me if there's a problem.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you on the job. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
All right.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Yeah, good to see you too. Yes.
I'd like to be sure I have privileges. I don't seem to have privileges. And I need to see Mr. Bowman in 4.
You guys extra?
Yes. Yeah, you just made it. All right. Mr. Bowman, 4, please. All right, let's go with any counselors ready? Retain. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's go. We have any Miss Harris is there. All right. Oh, we gotta wait then. Let me put this, find out who's in the breakout. Motorola Moto G Play, good morning to you. Can you start your video and state your name and unmute yourself and state your name, please? Motorola Moto G Play, I sent you the prompt. Good morning to you.
Your Honor, you want me to try? That might be Martinez.
You can. He unmuted himself. Good morning to you, sir. Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Manuel Antonio García Martínez.
Very well. All right. All right. So, Mr. Diaz, can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Lermit Diaz, and Lermit. Last name Diaz, Diaz. I'm qualified by training with Southern California School of Training. I have also wrote this book, Your Honor, about interpretation in courts. I don't think it's.
You have to turn your background off for me to see it.
One moment. This is the book I wrote, Your Honor. That's my name here.
Very good. All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's wait on the lawyer that's ready. name this other individual. Good morning to you. I just let you in the room on the Celerio device 5G plus. I'm sending you the prompt. Unmute yourself and start your camera, please. Good morning to you, sir. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
I never realized it when I was driving my Continental.
Hold on, Mr. Barrett. Hold on, Mr. Bowman. Good morning to you on the Celerio device. I just asked you to unmute yourself. What is your name? You're looking into the camera, ma'am.
Fred Garwood.
No, Mr. Garwood, we've already introduced ourselves. I don't need to go over that again, please.
Mr. Garwood,
Can the breakout rooms be reopened?
Say that again.
Can we reopen the breakout rooms? Never mind.
Did I do that?
I don't know. I think we all got pushed out. They got closed.
All right. So, ma'am, you're looking into the camera now. You just came in the room with the blue shirt on. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Melissa Gardner.
Melissa Gardner. Good morning to you, Miss Gardner.
Good morning, Judge.
All right. I'm taking the people in the order that they came in. Unfortunately, you were the last one to come in. Your matter is set for trial, ma'am. And we'll give the officer a half-hour grace period. If that officer does not show up, we'll get you out at 9:30 with a dismissal. If that officer does show up, then we will get you in a breakout room to speak with an attorney, okay?
Thank you.
Mr. Garwood should return to 2, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Garwood, return to breakout room 2. I think I may have to reassign him. I don't know. Anybody ready? Counselors, anybody ready? All right, we're gonna wait. Is Cortez Gates here? What about Lee Park? Zamari Rosales, start your video. Good morning to you. Unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Timbre Rosales.
Good morning to you. State your full name, please.
Diga su nombre completo, por favor.
Timbre Rosales Gómez.
Simbri González Gómez.
Gómez. Buenos días.
El juez le está dando los buenos días, señor Rosales.
¿Qué tal? Muy buenos días.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I do not see him. Ask him, does he have a case number, please?
Usted aún no lo estamos viendo en la lista de comparecientes. Usted tiene un número de caso aquí que empiece por SP.
Sí, correcto.
¿Me lo puede dar,
Es,
por favor?
permítame un segundo.
Give me 1 second.
All right, anyone ready?
SP
Ajá.
163 0 C 522.
06
No, C de casa
0C 500.
22.
I have the case number, Your Honor, for Mr. Rosales. It's SP 1630 C as in Charlie 522.
That's not a case number that we have.
That's what I thought because of the letter, but ¿está seguro que es una C, señor Rosales?
Oh, bueno, el juez me había dicho que tenía cita para hoy a las 9 de la mañana, hoy
¿Qué
3 de
juez?
marzo.
¿Qué juez?
Una multa de tránsito.
No, pero ¿qué juez? ¿Quién es el nombre del juez?
Oh, Perkinson.
Perkins. Okay. He said you told him to be here because he has some tickets, traffic, and you told him to be here at 9 a.m. on March the 3rd. We need to verify this, the case number. Esa C en el caso que usted me está dando me parece que es errada. ¿Puede chequear que no sea otro número? Porque nunca tienen letras. La C de casa que usted me dio.
No, es tal cual correcto, así me lo describieron. SP 1630C522.
Okay, he insists it's a C, it's in Charlie. 522.
It's not the right case number. I have, 6, he's saying 6.
Maybe it's a 6 instead of a...
It is a 6.
Okay. Es un número 6, no es una letra C.
Ok.
March the 3rd. I mean, strike that, April the 3rd.
Oh, it's on April.
At 9 a.m., April the 3rd at 9 a.m.
Okay, I will let him know. So he can leave after I tell him that?
Exactly.
Señor Rosales, es para abril, el 3 de abril, no para el 3 de marzo.
Oh, ok.
Y su caso es SP 16306522.
Ok,
Ok, se puede retirar ya entonces.
gracias.
All right, have a great day. All right, who's ready?
Ready on Mr. Garwood, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Fred Garwood. Mr. Garwood, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to enter a plea to 1 to 5 over with regard to the off-docket speeding matter and dismissal of the loudspeaker charge.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garwood?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client. If you have, counselor.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of not limited access, as it is 1 to 5.
Correct.
1 to 5, 125 will dismiss the other matter. 125, sir, when can you pay it? $125.
I can pay it today. You tell me how to pay it, I'll pay it. Do you have a way I can pay it over the line or something?
And you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, DIVDAT. Or you can pay it online. It just takes a long time for it to go through a 36 district court website. You can pay it, but those are the or come on down to the court. So paying it at the kiosk or paying it in person will go through immediately. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm gonna give you till March the 7th to pay that $125. It'll close itself out, Mr. Garwood. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is it if I use a kiosk, I just can use my ticket?
You can use your ticket or your name, as I'm told.
Okay, thank you.
You got that music bumping too loud, huh, Mr. Garwood?
No, sir.
All right, babe. Have a good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
We're ready on Mr. Garner, Jacob Garner.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Desmond Devon Gully, case number SP 878271, SP 1635809, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gully.
Desmond Gully.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time for arraignment / pretrial. Go ahead for purposes of arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll get your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gully, Mr. Berry's going to talk to you. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout. Speak with Mr. Berry, okay? And let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Who's on that iPhone?
Me, Micah Green.
No, not Micah Green. We've already introduced ourselves.
Jerry Lucas.
If we've introduced, I got you, Mr. Lucas. Good morning to you. If we've introduced ourselves, you don't read.
You look good, man.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm gonna send you the prompt. I'm sending that iPhone the prompt. Please unmute yourself, state your name for the record, turn your camera on, please. iPhone, I just sent you the prompt. You turned your camera on, now you need to unmute yourself.
Anisha Lido.
Are you? What is your name on the iPhone, sir?
Gregory Lewis Sr.
Gregory Lewis Sr. All right. And Lido mentioned something. I don't know.
I thought you sent me the request for the iPhone.
You didn't think I sent you the request because you would have saw the request. Turn your camera.
Something popped up, so I just unmuted my phone. Sorry.
That's all right. All right, Ms. Harris, are we ready on
Jacob Garner? Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, against my advisement, my client wishes to enter a plea. It would be as charged under a 6-month delayed sentence. He is also respectfully requesting that the court would issue an order that he could have his weapons returned.
I'm not issuing that order to have your weapons returned. Where is he?
How you doing, boss?
Boss, I'm not I'm the judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm Jacob Gardner. I'm right here.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you think I want you to have a gun back and you don't have sense enough to fire it in the proper place?
No, I didn't mean it, sir. I apologize. And we all do. And we all.
What is he talking about, Ms. Harris?
No,
he didn't mean it. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, because I do I'm a creative constant, and that's how I make funds, and then I didn't really mean it, you won't see me here. This is my first time ever going through this, and I promise you, Your Honor, you won't see me going through this no more. You won't see me again. You're doing your job. You're doing what's best for the city. I know you're doing what's best, justice, but I promise you, you won't see me here no more. And I go to the range like 2 or 3 times a month. I don't do anything wrong. I'm upstate of citizen. You can ask anyone around my neighborhood. I look out for everyone. I show everyone love, and I don't harm anyone, and I do what's best, Your Honor. That's why I got my license for it. I didn't do anything wrong. It's my first charge I ever experienced in my life. I don't even got a driving ticket. I don't even got no tickets, not even a jaywalking ticket, Your Honor. So I just asked for a second chance. That's it. I didn't mean anything. I didn't mean anything to anyone. I'm an upstate citizen, and I do what's best for, my family, and I'm just trying to get my mama, a different house, and just take care of my little ones. I got nephews and nieces, but I gotta save, I got everything. I'm doing it the right way. I just want a second chance. That's all I ask for. You won't see me again here no more, Your Honor. I promise you.
You done, sir?
Yes, sir. I just, just a little statement,
So what's your client saying? I don't know if I'm reading between the lines, Ms. Harris. Is your client telling me that he did shoot this gun, but he shot this gun in order for him to create some content and to get a higher social media profile?
I didn't do it. I didn't record anything. I apologize. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Is that what he's telling me, Ms. Harris?
No, I didn't record anything. No, my constant is for the range only, range purposes only. My constant is for range purposes only. I didn't know.
So you don't want to listen, so you don't want to take the advice of your lawyer?
Well, I'm taking whatever advice she gave me.
You're not, obviously. The first thing she said to me was against her advice, you want to take this plea and admit to what this allegation says.
I take her advice, Your Honor. I'm just doing what's best, and I just asked you for a second chance. That's all. Please, Your Honor. That's it. I promise you won't see me here no more. Some people don't even get to say I'm sorry. Some people say I'm sorry, but I promise, Your Honor, you won't see me here no more, Your Honor. I promise you. That's it.
Did you see the ticket? It's apparently an admission on the ticket, listed on the ticket that he admitted to it. Did you see that, Ms. Harris?
We had a conversation about it, Your Honor. Again, my advice based on our discussions was that he probably wanted to get an attorney appointed so that they could do a little bit more of a deep dive on his behalf, probably ask for a deviation that might allow him to get his firearm back. He is a content creator. That means he is putting himself in some situations that may not be the safest. But again, he has made this decision that he wants to enter a plea today. I can't force him to do anything. I can only give him advice and present his options.
All right. So what do you want to do, sir?
Yes, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that advice. Sir.
You want to get an attorney appointed to you?
Attorney. If it's necessary, yes, sir. If it's necessary.
I'm gonna appoint. Who's talking? I need you to be quiet, whoever that is, and mute yourself. All right. I'm gonna need appointed attorney. I'm gonna set a pretrial. I'm gonna set another date, a pretrial date of April the 7th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Can I get that date again, sir?
April the 7th, 2025 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
My number?
Yes.
Okay, my number is I think it's 706.
You better get the right number, sir.
Yeah, I understand. That's what I'm getting right now. Yes, sir. My number is 706-443-8822.
All right, are you gonna answer the calls? You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by April the 7th, then we're gonna get one appointed to you on that day, okay?
Yes, sir. I just asked for a second chance. Yes, sir. That's it.
All right, just come back April the 7th at 8:30. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
April 7th, what time, sir?
At 8:30.
8 in the morning?
8:30 in the morning. We're not gonna be here at 8:30 at night.
Just making sure. Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
You too.
All right, Ms. Harris, Mr. Your clients, I can put you in, your client, I'm gonna put Mr. Dupree's client in the breakout room number 5. Mr. Oakley, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 5. Oh, that's Mr. Posito's client. I'm gonna put your client in breakout room number 5. You have the ability to move around. I'm gonna put, you can see Mr. Bowman in 4, Mr. Dupree.
Yes, sir.
All right, somebody's interrupting. Mr. Dupree, who's fine?
Judge, I've got 2 people up today. The first is is Marquise Lee, and we're just waiting for an officer on that one. And then the second is James Lee, and we are again, I think, just waiting for an officer on that one. So I don't have anything ready at the moment.
All right, very well. All right, let me get Ms. Harris started on Gray, and then I'm gonna get to retain counsels. Who is this Cass Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Where I don't see him on the docket. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Good morning to you. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Cass Daniel Gray, case number SP 165976161. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Cass Daniel Gray.
All right. Day is the date and time set for a pretrial. Same deal. You get found guilty or plead guilty to this charge, I'm fining you $500, making you take a gun safety course. It'll be a 12-month delayed sentencing on this. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris to speak with her about it. You don't like the offer, then you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Gray, join the breakout room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit. This is for Mr. Diaz and Counsel. Are you ready on Gonzalez Perez?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Ramon Gonzalez Perez. Case number SP 1584235-1, SP 1584559, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1584593, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Las comparecencias para que queden reflejadas en actas.
Attorney Morales, on behalf of Ramon Gonzalez Perez.
Yo soy la abogada Morales por el señor Morales Pérez.
Your Honor, I have spoken to the prosecutor, and at this time he has agreed to dismiss the charges.
Su señoría, yo he hablado con el procurador y en este momento él está de acuerdo en sobreseer todos los cargos.
Case dismissed. Best of luck to you, Mr. Perez. Have a very good rest of your day, and thank you, Counselor. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Estimado señor González, la mejor suerte para usted y muchísimas gracias, abogado.
We need your P number, Counselor.
That would be 81306.
Estaban requiriendo el bar de la abogada y se lo ha dado, es el P81306.
All right. Yeah, Mr. Perez, did you state your name for the record?
Señor Pérez, ¿usted dijo su nombre para que queden actas?
Ramón González Pérez.
¿Puede repetir, por favor?
Ramón González Pérez.
Ramón González Pérez.
All right, your case is dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Este caso ha quedado desestimado, señor. Muchísima suerte y que tenga un buen día.
Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's move on. Let's go back on the record with Desmond Devon Gully. Mr. Gully, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counselor, it appears that your client wants a court-appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that what you want, Mr. Gully?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's set the matter for pretrial, which is going to be April 7th, 2025 at 8:30. I'm also going to put this on track for a trial, Mr. Gully. Trial date will be April the 28th, 2025, if necessary, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on April the 7th. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Very good. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Well, thank you. DeAntonios Owens, is that you?
Yes, that's me. It's DeAntoine.
DeAntoine, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir.
How are you today, Your Honor?
Oh, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm all right. Just getting off work, normal stuff.
We're waiting on Attorney Barrett for these matters. There's a couple of people assigned to Attorney Barrett, and when she gets here, we'll get you in the speaker. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Melissa Gardner.
This is she.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
All right. You certainly jumped up to the top. Maybe you signed in earlier and you fell off on the first time. All right, so let's see, Ms. Gardner. Your matter is set for 9 o'clock. I'm going to give the officer another half-hour grace period. I mean, not another half-hour grace period, but that period is still running. It's 9:25. If they don't show up by 9:30, we're going to call your case and get you out of here, okay?
I appreciate you, Judge.
All right, thank you so much. Who else do we have? James Lee. We're waiting on yours matter as well. Your attorney is here. If you need to speak with Mr. Dupree, then we'll get you in a breakout room, but he's here and he's waiting. What is your middle name if you have one, Mr. Lee? Is that your client, Mr. Dupree?
Yeah, I do see both of my clients on the screen, Judge. In both their cases, we need an officer.
James Clifton Lee, he's set for a final pretrial. I guess you're waiting on the officer for the final pretrial because you scheduled this as a jury trial. Is that what I'm understanding?
Yes, Judge. It's set for jury tomorrow, but the court had required the officer to appear today as well.
Very well.
Hello, Judge.
Let's keep going. Oakley, is he ready? Attorney Pazios. Mr. Bowman, can you go to 4, please? Carmelo Lopez Flores. Necesitas interpreter?
Yes.
Señor López Flores.
Sí.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Mr. Berry. I have two interpreters in here. Where's Madam Interpreter? Is she still here? No, she may have left. All right. City of Detroit versus Carmelo Lopez Flores, case number SP 1659797. Here's the record, please.
Este es el acusado Carmelo López Flores por el caso SP 165-97971. Por favor, ¿me pueden decir sus nombres para que queden en actas?
Carmelo López Flores.
Carmelo López Flores.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y yo soy el abogado Elwood Berry Jr. por el defendido, su señoría.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Flores an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, Mr. Flores, you have an absolute right to a trial.
El señor López, hoy es el día para que nosotros llevemos este caso al juicio. Y yo quiero que usted me diga si usted está de acuerdo con la oferta que se le está haciendo.
Sí.
Yes.
Why don't I see him on here? Oh, there he is.
On a register route in the golf. You probably own.
I just passed the matter. Join. All right.
Your Honor, you want me to go to breakout room too?
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, I put her there so she could get dressed. She was getting dressed.
Ooh.
That's why I keep putting her back in the waiting room.
Well, I don't understand why she can't come in dressed. I just don't understand it.
It's an officer.
No, it's no officer. There's only one person there. All right. Let's move on to, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates to me you want an appointed attorney as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's set a pretrial date for April the 7th, 2025 at 8:30. If you need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the pretrial, get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. April the 7th is your next court date. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Bye. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Melissa Gardner. Case number V1366064, V136600924. Appearance for the record, please. Ms. Harris.
I think that's Mr. Ogletree's matter.
Yes. Mr. Ogletree, where is he? Ms. Ogletree is a dismissal. So people now. It looks like a dismissal. Let's pass it momentarily till I can get them off the breakout on this side.
Yeah.
Kenneth Goodman. All right, Mr. Ogletree, good morning to you. State your name for the record for Miss Melissa Gardner, please.
Aaron Oceanbaum, Miss Melissa Gardner.
This
All right,
is
Ms. Gardner, good morning to you. State your name for the record, Ms. Gardner.
Melissa Gardner.
All right, day is the date and time set for a trial. Is there anybody officer here for Ms. Gardner? Any officer here for Ms. Gardner? We don't have a file for Ms. Gardner trial? Did you? Let's see. You did, thank you. Sorry about that. All right, let's see. Is there a Officer Charleston? Officer Charleston, hearing no response, have not seen that officer join the room. Go ahead, Mr. Ogletree.
Your Honor, respectfully requesting dismissal.
All right, case dismissed. Ms. Gardner, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
I appreciate you, Judge. Enjoy your day.
You as well. Have a better one, okay?
Yes, I will.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, who said excuse me?
Yeah, it's Officer Mitchell. I just got out of the breakout room with the prosecutor. He just wanted me to come back out here and make sure that I was checked in before.
You've been checked in.
All right, thank you.
All right.
I can lead a chat, Judge. This is Melissa
You
Gardner.
may. Have a great one, all right?
Thank you.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Kenneth Darnell Goodman Jr., case number SP 1327214, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1661337, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1670981, 1, and SP 1670982. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Goodman, please state your name.
Kenneth Darnell Goodman Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date time set for a pre-trial. What is it set for?
Pretrial, Your Honor.
Goodman, all right, pre-trial, Mr. Goodman. I'm gonna get you in a breakout room. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna get you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. I do see an issue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He has another no insurance and expired plate that's on the docket. That's not on the docket. That's a no insurance misdemeanor and expired plate. Get him an updated offer, Ms. Harris. Mr. Goodman, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, please. Anybody ready? Let's pass the map. Anyone ready? Mr. Dupree.
Hi, Your Honor.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm okay. This is Shakira Owens. I was just trying to make sure I was checked in.
You are checked in. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Ms. Masserat.
Morning, Judge.
Morning. Who's your client?
Manuel Garcia Martinez.
Manuel Garcia Garcia. Somebody already seemed like they represented him. Did they not? Oh no, he's here. Somebody has already been here on attorney. Who's ready?
Ready as to Mr. Lopez Flores, Your Honor.
Estamos listos con el señor López Flores, su señoría.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Lopez Flores. Mr. Lopez Flores, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Bueno, ya estamos listos otra vez para que todo quede grabado en actas. Señor López, yo le di la oportunidad para que usted hablara con su abogado y yo quiero saber en este momento, señor Berry, qué es lo que su cliente quiere hacer.
Your Honor, my client seeks a bench trial date to return with documents.
Mi defendido quiere venir otro día para un juicio y en ese momento él va a traer todos sus documentos.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez Flores?
¿Eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor López Flores?
Sí.
Yes.
Come back on April the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir.
Venga el 28 de abril del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana.
Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yo le deseo que tenga un buen día y que el mejor suerte para usted.
Igualmente, una pregunta, sí va a ser por Zoom la siguiente corte, ¿verdad?
I have a question. Will that be by Zoom, Your Honor, the next court day?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day.
Tenga un buen día. Ya se puede retirar, señor
Ok,
López.
muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Gracias, muy amable.
Very
I think
kind.
you have two more, Mr. Diaz, so give me a minute. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Rodney Franklin Golston Sr., case number SP 16579-521 and Z799-851. Appearance for the record, please.
Rodney Franklin Golston Sr.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Golston, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Now, here's the deal. The allegations say you're in the passenger seat of a motor vehicle with open alcohol. That's what the allegations suggest. I have still a case here, OWI City, that you pled to long ago, back in 2017, that you still owe $1,390 on. So I don't know whether the allegations are correct or not. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him, let us know what you want to do. He's going to get you an updated offer. And you got to figure out how you're going to get this this other case cleared out, this money cleared up on this other. Yeah, what did you say?
Couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
I said I need to be testing you. What are you gonna say?
Oh, I was in the payment plan for those traffic tickets, but I'm supposed to renew them today.
Yeah, I don't see
renew
any
the payment plan.
And these aren't just traffic tickets. This is the OWI City that I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break out Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him, and let us know what you want to do. Come on, he's gonna get you an updated offer. He's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass him out.
The Z ticket is the OWI ticket?
Yeah, he owes money. He pled to that years ago, never paid.
So there's only the single open alcohol as the passenger.
Exactly. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting trial and/or formal hearing dates, please, and thank you.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Goodman?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial / formal hearing on all the matters for April the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Goodman, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You said April 20th?
April 28th.
April 28th. Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Legrier. Give me the correct pronunciation, please.
Legrier.
Legrier, I'm sorry, Tiffany Monique Legrier, case number SB 1659256, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Legrier. Please state your name again for the record.
Tiffany Legrier.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, there's another allegation that is probably in the fall, the improper display of plate If the city doesn't have any objection, I don't mind setting the default aside and allowing Mr. Greer to be heard on the matter. Ms. LeGreer, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Anybody ready? Anyone ready?
Judge, what time are we doing, officer?
Officer is 9:30. On that James Lee, that's not necessarily a no officer. That's not necessarily a time specific thing. You know, this is a pretrial. So Mr. Bowman? Where's Mr. Bowman? He's in.
Judge, I also have Marquise Lee, which is a bench trial.
Okay, so what I'm saying is that officer should be here, but.
I hear you. I'll talk to Mr. Bowman about James Lee, but I was just wondering if we could do Marquise Lee real quick, since I don't think that officer's here. I don't see him on the screen.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marquise Lee, case number U696266324. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Marquise Lee, would you state your name, please?
Marquise Lee.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for the trial. Is there a Officer Blessing, Molly Blessing? I don't believe I've seen that officer here, Mr. And I don't have the officer on my list, and I do not see that officer in the room. Go ahead, Mr.
Defense would move to dismiss, Your Honor.
We'll dismiss the case, Mr. Lee, for no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Me too.
Thank you.
And I'll go talk to Mr. Bowman, Your Honor.
Very well. Anyone else ready?
Your Honor, I think Otero, I don't see that the officer's checked in, but I'm a little hesitant to speak to or to go that route until I speak to Mr. Bowman again.
All right, City of Detroit versus Reina Bell Otero, case number U69337-124, U69337-224, U69337-324, U69337-424. Appearance for the record, please allow the interpreter interpret. Mr. Diaz, do I need to repeat those? Where's Mr. Diaz?
I don't see him in here, Your Honor.
Yes, he must be somewhere else.
We can pass, Your Honor. I don't think that officer's checked in, but I have not. I do want to circle back with Mr. Bowman real quick.
Put your appearance on the record, counsel.
Sure, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Edward Bajoka, appearing on behalf of Ms. Otero.
Spell the last name for the court reporter, please.
Otero is my client's last name. My last name is B as in boy, AJ, OKA, P70919.
Say that the P number again, please.
70919.
Okay, join the breakout room. We'll pass the matter and have that further discussion. All right. Mr. Barry, do you have someone?
Yes, Mr. Golston. We're
Let's
ready.
go back on Mr. Golston. Mr. Golston.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this a good phone number that you're calling on for you?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's going to be the what's going to happen with this case here?
Your Honor, my client would requires a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Golston?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you 2 dates. I'm going to give you the date of April the 7th as a pretrial, that date is set to make sure that you've heard from that appointed attorney. If you haven't heard from that appointed attorney by then, I'm gonna appoint one on the spot for you. And then I'm gonna give you a trial date for April the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. So April the 7th is the most pertinent date there. Come back and if answer the calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. And you say the other date was April the 27th? Or
28th. 28th. We'll go back over that when you come back, all right?
Okay.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Next time, try to figure out how to sign on so I can see who I'm talking to, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good. All right, very well. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Quanisha Deere Lytle, case number SP 1544824, counts 1, counts 2. SP 1629321 and SP 1629321. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lightham.
Quanisha Deere Lytle.
All right, you need to come into the camera, ma'am. I need to see who I'm talking to, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Hook, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Officer Nicholas Hout, badge 1789.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Lytle. Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come back. Today is the date and time set for a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record. Mrs. Give me the word pronunciation. I don't know why. This is a tongue twister for me.
LeGreer.
I'm sorry. Give me the Ms. LeGreer. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is going to be a dismissal.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. LeGreer, case dismissed, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, too. You too, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Micah Green.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
What is this, Shantae?
Shantae, yep.
All right. And what is the rest of your middle name, please?
My full name is Micah Shantae Charity, and my last name is Green, like the color.
Green who?
Micah Shantae Charity Green. I have two middle names.
Okay, very good. This is the city of Detroit versus Micah Shantae Charity Green. Case numbers SP 1661373 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1662509 counts 1, 2, and 3. And the state of Michigan versus Micah Shantae Charity Green. Case number SX 4474119 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Green. Please state your name.
My name is Micah Green.
All right, Ms. Green, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer, Ms. Green. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with her, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
And Judge, I might have one for you.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Johnson. What is your client's name, please?
Good morning, Judge. Jerry Lucas.
Jerry Lucas.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Jerry Lucas II, case number SB 1577084, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
May it please Court, Basil Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Lucas. He's on Zoom.
Mr. Lucas, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Oh, you're muted, sir.
Press the unmute button for him, Mr. Johnson. If we could, let's see. Is he here? Unmute yourself, Mr. Lucas.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Jerry Lucas II.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? I did have Officer Nelson checked in. Officer Nelson was here. Let's see. Mr. Barry goes, Mr. Johnson, go speak with Mr. Bowman. Mr. Officer Nelson did check in, but he did not leave a note to the court. If he left a note with the city attorney, I'll accept that. If not, we'll dispense of the case. All right.
Okay, we'll do.
Go speak with Mr. Bowman, please.
It won't let me join.
Oh.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Who else is ready? Anybody ready? All right, we're gonna wait until we're ready. So someone's ready.
Judge, I'm ready.
Of course you are, but you got to have a lawyer.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're last.
Okay.
You're last.
Okay. I didn't know what you meant by you ready. I thought people were just saying.
No, I don't mind you speaking up, but we have to have a lawyer ready for you, and I don't see one.
Okay.
Are you ready, Mr. Diaz? We did call a Toro.
Yes, I am. I'm ready.
All right, well, all right. Get Attorney Barrett in here. She's got clients waiting on her.
I think.
Good morning to you, sir. I have you down as well. Andrew Giaroni. Set for trial. Hendricks, officer is here. So give me a minute. Officer Clark, good morning to you. Rafael Lopez. Is Rafael
Yes,
Lopez? We're going to give him a few more minutes till 10 o'clock. If they don't show up by 10, you're free to leave. Who's the gentleman's name? I'm sorry.
yes, sir.
All right, so give him a few more minutes. If he doesn't show up, then we'll get you out of here. All right, we're just waiting now for the lawyer to come out and break out. Who's that?
Barrett.
Yeah, Barrett. She needs to get in here. What about Johnson on Lucas? What's going on with that, Mister?
He did leave a note, dismissal.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lucas. Mr. Lucas, giving you an opportunity. I don't think I have to tell you, that's good news. Case is dismissed per, let's just say no recollection, I guess. Let's just say per city attorney.
Sure.
Do you know why he's dismissed?
Brief, I think he said no recollection, but he mentioned something about the officer. I want to say it was no recollection.
Well, I just put per city attorney. Best of
That's
luck
fine.
to you. Just have a very good rest of your day, all right? You have anybody else, Mr. Johnson?
No, sir. Good to see you.
All right, always good to see you, but I'll see you soon.
See you soon. Have a good
All
one,
right.
Mr.
You
Thank
as
you.
well.
Yes, sir.
Officer Hendricks, you're, Mr. Giaccona is here. So we'll get you two out of here soon.
Officer Perkins, Judge Perkins, am I free to leave?
You're free to leave. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. You do the same as well.
Thank you. Mr. Officer Hassick, let's see. Who are you here on? You're on Lindsay, Santania Lindsay. Is Santania Lindsay here? All right, we'll give them a few more minutes. At 10 o'clock, we'll let you go.
Judge, I do think we're ready on Mr. James Lee. Mr. Bowman said to just go ahead and no officer.
All right, let's go. City of Detroit versus James Clifton Lee, case number U69836124124. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant. Mr. James Lee, would you state your name, please?
James Clifton Lee.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a final pretrial. On these final pretrials, you were scheduled for a jury trial tomorrow, March the 4th. Apparently, there's no officer. So we want the officer to show, and just in case there's some changes and we do not have to order a jury, that officer was supposed to be here today. And since that officer has not shown, we're going to dismiss the case, sir. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Dupree. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Best of luck.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, I always say this, and I know the clerks always tell me it's obvious, but I always say it just to be careful. I do want to make sure we do cancel the jury for tomorrow.
Very good. Thank you so much, Ms. Mathis.
Thank you.
Ms. Mathis is sending the email right now. She's on top of it.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right,
Have a
best
good day,
of luck to
everybody.
you. I'll see you guys.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Hi, this is Mr. Lewis. I still don't have an attorney yet.
You about to get one, Mr. Lewis. Give me a minute, all right?
All right, thank you.
Must be smart. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Micah Green. Ms. Micah Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding you want a trial? And,
Yes.
Counsel? All right.
No appointment of counsel, just trial date.
Oh, no appointment of counsel, just a trial date, all right? April the 28th, Ms. Green, April the 28th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much. April 28th at 9 a.m.
Yes.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You enjoy it as well, thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, Manuel Garcia Martinez, who is the client? Who is that? Okay, that's Barrett as well. But we have to wait. Melissa Gardner's gone. We can start calling the officers. So we have City of Detroit versus Andrew Giaccona. Case numbers SP 160938111, SP 160855001. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Andrew.
Is he here?
His device froze. Oh, can you state your name again, sir?
Is he there? Did we lose?
He was there. He has his hand raised. It's like every time he goes to speak, sometimes his device freezes. Could you state your name, sir? It froze again, Your Honor.
Let's get Officer Hendricks, appearance, please. Good morning to you. Officer Hendricks, good morning to you. Are you there? Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. All right, I'm having trouble with everything. Officer Hendricks, you have to start your video, unmute yourself and state your name, please. No, it's not working. Mr. Giacomo. Let's pass the matter so they can get themselves together. Who is Manuel Garcia Martinez? That's Miss. That's Miss. What about Owens? That's Miss. Oh, that's Miss Baird as well.
And Judge, I just wanted to make sure Mr. Martinez. So Mr. Martinez is represented by Attorney Barrett.
It seems as though he is.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I was standing in for Attorney Dennis Whitey on it, but if he has another attorney, then.
Okay. And do you have anyone else, counsel?
That was it. I just wanted to be sure that Mr. Martinez had an attorney.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, you too. See where. You're free to leave on Lindsay. She's a no-show. Hayward, good morning to you. You have Oakley. He's here. Counsel is here on Oakley. Trueheart, Officer Trueheart, good morning to you. You have to stay because you have Owens as well. Officer Trueheart, you have Gotta. He's not here. Is got it here. You're free to leave. Be safe out there. Officer Mitchell, you're free to leave. Lindsay never showed. Good morning, NPO Shabazz. You're free to leave. Lindsay never showed.
Have a good day. Would he be capious?
Yes.
All right. Have a good one.
All right. You as well. Officer Evans Bush, you're free to leave. Good morning to you. Lindsay never showed. That gets me down to Gregory Lewis. Hold on, let me see if Giacomo and his device is available. All right, let's go to Mr. Giacomo. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I apologize. I blame that on the EBT Wi-Fi I got. I'm sorry.
All right, stop. All right, I stopped your camera. Hopefully that helps. State your name for the record.
Okay. Andrew Jacona.
Jacona. School me on what's the EBT Wi-Fi?
That's EBT. Welfare Wi-Fi.
I know what EBT is. Is that is Gregory Lewis in my courtroom driving with the hat on? I'm gonna put you out, sir. No driving in court, and zoom back in when you. I hope you have a valid license too. Zoom back in when you get to your destination. So I know what EBT
Probably
is.
here
So
for
the
suspension.
Wi-Fi. Give me the Wi-Fi. EBT Wi-Fi. That means the government Wi-Fi.
Well, no, that's just it's a side joke. It's that boost Wi-Fi box that they claim is real good, and you connect two things to it, and it scrambles all the heck.
Oh, okay. All right. Mr. Officer Kendricks, is he here? He was here. I don't know what's going on with him. I asked him to unmute himself and turn his camera on. He didn't do so. Ms. Harris, you already put your appearance on the record for Mr. Giacomo, right?
I did.
All right, join the room, get him an updated offer. We'll find out if this officer just left or if his device froze or something like that. Pass the matter. He's in there, Mr. Are we ready, Mr. Berry? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lytle. Ms. Lytle, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your plan want to do?
Your Honor, the prosecutor has no objection to an adjournment. Ms. Lytle just needs to return with a document, and she can return as soon as Thursday if the court permits.
Is that true, Ms. Lytle?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on Friday, okay? Friday, March the 7th. Well, come back on Thursday. Back on Thursday. Well, I'll put it on Friday.
Okay, what time?
At the same time at
9.
8.
Okay, so Thursday at 9 a.m.
What was Lytle set for? Trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you got a agreement from the officer? I mean, from Mr. Bowman?
I did, Your Honor.
Pretrial, March the 6th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. Okay.
8:30. Okay, thank you.
Your Honor,
Yes.
will I be needed for that?
No, you won't. If he hasn't come with the correct documentation, we'll reset a pretrial. We'll reset a trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Ms. Lytle, best of luck to you. I'll see you Thursday.
You said March 6th, correct?
March 6th, Thursday.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. It would be Owens, not the Antonio Owens, it's the Miss Owens, the one that was coming in trying to get dressed on Zoom. Where is her name? Owens. Kyra Owens, did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Janelle Owens, case number SP. 1659381 and U59454-021. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Berry.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens.
Kyra Owens.
All right. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for. One is set for a pretrial. The other one's set for as a warrant. Mr. Berry, for the purposes of agreement on the warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
When or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 fine and be part of the warrant. Ms. Owens, this is a firearm offense. If you found guilty as charged or you plead as charged, I'm going to fine you $500. It's going to be due in a month, and it's going to be you're going to take a gun safety course, and it'll be a 12-month delayed on that. You can roll your eyes all you want to. All right.
And I wasn't rolling my eyes at you. I was rolling my eyes about the situation I put myself in. That's it.
Don't talk about that. Talk about that to Mr. Berry. You have an absolute right to a trial. He's going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, then then you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the breakout room, have a conversation with Mr. Barrett.
What is the off docket matter, Your Honor?
The off docket matter is in the park after dark. Seems like an older case. Let me see the date of that case.
Yeah, it was like five. It was like probably like 7, 8 years ago.
4/17/2021.
Okay.
Jefferson. That's a popular park. I've never been down there. All right. Go join the breakout room, ma'am, and speak to Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
All right. Waiting on your attorney. Would you call Miss
Barrett.
Miss Barrett? I don't see Soroki on Zoom.
She don't understand. Here out there waiting.
What's the Zoom?
This gentleman right here.
Mr. Donatus. Abani?
Yes.
Abani?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
What's the lady's name?
And the lady that's out there is me. She's the only one at 10 a.m.
Why did we have her come in?
I don't know. She just showed me something on her phone.
Is Soroki, can you get Soroki in here too? Miss Beard and Miss Soroki to be in here at ASAP. Mr. Ogborn?
Yes, that's what she said. Yes. Yeah. That's why.
Mr. Ogborn?
Yes, you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning. You're not here till the 7th of March. It appears that
wait,
you
what?
only, the 7th of March is what it says here. Do you have valid, well, let's see. Mr.
I'm
Bowman.
so sorry.
Sorry, hold on a second. We may be able to take care of you. Mr. Bowman?
Yes, sir.
For Mr. Ogborn, he has a no insurance misdemeanor and a expired plate. He's paid the expired plate 174. What do you want to do with the misdemeanor?
Improper plate, Your Honor.
Hold on, Mr. Ogborn. I'm gonna get you to speak with a lawyer. Do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
He's paid a related civil infraction, Mr. Barrett, Mr. Bowman.
Based upon that fact, Your Honor, then I can recommend to dismiss the remaining charge.
City of Detroit versus, did I close the rooms again? City of Detroit versus Christian Deshaun Ogborn, case number SP 163-27371. Appearance for the record, please. Just attorney quickly.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Ogborn, please state your name.
You talking to me?
Yes, Ogborn.
Oh, yes, Christian Ogburn.
Let's call it a day to date and time for a show cause. I'm in there not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 fine. I'm dismissing the case. He said he has insurance as well, but he paid related civil infraction, an expired plate. He paid that on February 15th, I believe. We're going to dismiss the case, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you so
much. You don't have to come today.
I'll meet you in 4, Mr. Bowman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, to leave.
You can leave.
Thank you.
All right, who's ready? Who's ready? I need somebody that's ready.
I think we're ready, Your Honor.
All right. Are you there, Mr. Diaz?
Oh, I think Mr. Bowman needs to be back on here, Your Honor. This is for Miss Otero.
Yeah, Mr. Diaz, then Ms. Otero needs an interpreter as well, right?
She does. I just saw
let me
Mr.
ask
Bowman
her.
step off.
I was sent to the breakout room too, but that's why I'm back here. Señor Otero, ¿usted necesita un intérprete?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, let's go call it again. City of Detroit versus Raina Bell Otero, case numbers U69337124, U69337224, U69337324, and U69337424. Appearance for the record, please.
Estamos aquí llamando al caso 169333712, el U969-17224, y queremos la comparecencia para que quede registrado en actas.
Counselor, appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Edward Bajoka, P70919, on behalf of Ms. Otero.
Y yo soy el abogado Edward Bayoca. Mi bar es el P70919. Estoy aquí por la señora Otero.
May it please the court, Your Honor, Victor Bowman for the people, P33764. Your Honor, Officer Rios is out in the hall somewhere. Can I call him? I'm sure he would like to zoom in for this.
Su señoría, yo soy el abogado Víctor Bowman de la Fiscalía. Mi número de bar es el 330764. Y yo quisiera llamar al oficial Ríos, que está aquí en el tribunal, para que pueda comparecer a través de Zoom con nosotros.
Officer, this is the one that wrote the ticket?
Yes.
Este es el oficial que puso la multa. Sí.
All right, why didn't he check in?
He
¿Por qué
did.
porque él no se chequeó con nosotros?
He checked in with Ms. Mathis, and I instructed Ms. Mathis to come to room 419, and he's been with me. We had a discussion, and now he's out in the hall.
Él estuvo chequeado con nosotros cuando el caso del señor Matthew. Pero él estaba en la 419 y él ha estado con nosotros discutiendo esto. Él está aquí afuera en el pasillo.
Very well. Where is he now?
Muy bien. Entonces, ¿dónde está él ahorita? You're muted, prosecutor Bowman.
Oh, Your Honor, he is in the courtroom. He's getting ready to zoom in right now.
Su señoría, él está en el tribunal y está listo ya para añadirse a la Zoom.
Whichever you can get there fast.
Lo que sea más apropiado para que llegue usted aquí rápido.
Okay. Your Honor, Officer Sergeant Rios is coming to 434, and so am I.
Su señoría, el oficial Ríos va al tribunal 434 y yo de la misma manera lo voy a hacer.
Attorney, sir, if you have a client that has an evidence hearing today, you're coming in person? You're coming in person, okay.
All right. We're gonna have to pass the matter.
Nosotros vamos a tener que pasar este asunto.
Oh, here we are. Let's go back on with Ms. Otero.
Ok, vamos con el asunto de la señora Reinabel Islas Otero.
Officer Sergeant Rios, good morning to you. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Oficial
Yes, sir,
Ríos,
sir.
por favor, puede decir su comparecencia para que quede grabado en actas.
Sergeant David Rios, badge S258, currently assigned to the 4th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Yo soy el abogado David Ríos y estoy asignado a este caso.
Please the court, Your Honor, Victor Bowman, P 337 for the people.
Y yo soy el de por la fiscalía, el abogado Bowman.
And thank you, Your Honor. Edward Bajoka, P70919 on behalf of Ms. Otero.
Y yo soy el abogado Edward Villoca, P70919, es el número de bar, por la defendida. Your Honor, you want me to tell my name for the record as the interpreter?
No, fine. What's gonna go on?
Your Honor, brother counsel and I have been in settlement discussions. We have reached an impasse. Today is the date for trial. It was scheduled for a bench trial today. Officer Rios is here because today is the trial. Hold on.
Yo estoy aquí para que hoy es el día para que nosotros hayamos tenido un juicio con juez. Yo he tratado de tener un acuerdo con el defensor, el abogado defensor, y estamos aquí con el señor Ríos, el oficial Ríos.
By way of history, Your Honor, on February 14, 2014, I instructed or suggested to brother counsel to send a mediation letter.
Yo fui instruido porque el 4 de febrero del 2024 había sugerido que habían tenido una conducta que tuviera una conducta con un consejero.
Which was directed to my supervisor, Shannon Walker. The record should also reflect that Ms. Walker just walked.
Habíamos pedido que nosotros tuviéramos que esto quedara reflejado con el oficial Walker y el supervisor Walker, y que esto quedara reflejado en las actas.
Both Ms. Walker and I have reviewed the deviation letter.
El oficial Walker y yo hemos visto que que se ha hecho una deviación en este caso.
The essence of the deviation letter is essentially that the defense counsel wishes that these tickets be changed from misdemeanors to civil infractions.
Y nosotros en este caso de la desviación de estas multas, nosotros hemos pedido de que hayan sido, en vez de un delito menor, que sean convertidos en infracciones civiles.
We cannot agree to that suggestion.
Y nosotros no podemos estar de acuerdo con esa sugerencia.
It is my understanding that the reason for the request for the civil infraction has to do with defendant Ontero's potential immigration issues if she pleads to any misdemeanor.
Y nosotros entendemos que si ella se declara culpable por un delito menor, esto podría tener algunas repercusiones en lo que se referiría a su estatus migratorio, por lo que nosotros estamos evaluando que sea una infracción civil.
There have been 4 tickets issued to Ms. Otero.
En cuanto a las 4 multas que se le han puesto o cargos que se le han puesto a la señora Otero,
Ticket number 1 has to do with the overcrowding issue that was going.
y el asunto con el ticket número 1 que ha tenido que ver con el la sobrecompra.
Let me shorten it up for you. What is the question the court need to ask?
Yo quiero que usted lo resuma aquí y que me diga cuál es lo importante que el tribunal deba saber.
What question does the court need to answer?
Well,
¿Cuáles son las preguntas? ¿Cuáles son las preguntas y respuestas que el tribunal debe hacer?
Your Honor, I can jump in if you like.
Well,
Yo puedo hablar si usted lo desea.
Number 1, negotiations have broken down. Number 2, we've made an offer as it relates to the 4 tickets, which defendant cannot or will not accept. 3, and the issue now, today we are scheduled for bench trial, and I understand that the defense lawyer now wishes to have a jury trial.
Thank you.
Let them interpret.
Nosotros hemos querido hacer una negociación con los tickets del número 1, las multas número 1, las número 2. Nosotros hicimos ofertas relacionadas con estas multas, pero la defendida no aceptó la número 3 y eso se nos creó un problema para el día de hoy. Teníamos entendido que hoy era el día donde nosotros teníamos el juicio que estaba para el día de hoy.
During the pendency of this litigation, this defense counsel has never asked for a jury trial. His request was a bench trial.
Y durante este periodo de litigación, nosotros le hemos dicho al abogado defensor, nunca nos ha dado el privilegio de nosotros hacer este requerimiento.
We are prepared to proceed with this bench trial today.
Y nosotros estamos listos para proceder con el juicio con juez el día de hoy.
Let me make it a little easier for you.
Yo voy a ser un poco más fácil para usted.
If his client wants a jury trial, his client never expressly waived their right. I don't believe on the record that to a jury trial.
Y si yo tengo entendido, el defendido nunca renunció a tener un juicio con jurado. Y eso no ha quedado en los registros para lo que ella pueda querer.
Now and then this happens because we figure most of the time the trial date is set, the negotiations will be worked out, and this time it didn't happen.
Y yo pienso que esas son cosas que las negociaciones ya tuvieron tiempo para ser hechas.
Lastly, Your Honor, if a motion for jury trial is going to be granted today, the people are withdrawing all offers.
Y el asunto es que si nosotros, si lo que se quiere ir a un juicio con jurado, nosotros, la fiscalía está lista para otorgar eso y nosotros quitar todos los cargos.
That's definitely the people's right to do that. So.
Ese es el derecho que tiene la fiscalía para hacer eso, con ese pedimento.
Counsel, I'll let you respond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yo voy a permitir que usted responda.
And I think the court is correct. I don't believe that she's waived her right to a jury trial.
Y yo pienso que el tribunal está en lo correcto. Ella no puede ser renunciada a que tenga un juicio con jurado.
I agree that it's the people's right to offer whatever they wish in any case.
Y yo entiendo que la fiscalía puede ofrecerle cualquier cosa que ellos deseen en este caso.
But I will say that I was only communicated this offer this morning.
Y yo solamente quiero hacerle entender que, o saber que a mí se me hizo esta oferta fue esta mañana.
And under the U.S. Supreme Court case Padilla versus Kentucky,
Y nosotros, bajo el caso de Padilla versus Kentucky por la Corte Suprema,
I am required as criminal defense counsel to provide accurate, correct immigration related advice to my client.
y yo he requerido que por el asunto del delito que en este caso está sucediendo, que ella tenga una consulta con un abogado relacionado con inmigración.
And unfortunately, having been communicated the offer this morning, that doesn't leave me enough time to be able to do that and to consult with our immigration counsel.
Y en virtud de que esto se me informó fue esta mañana, yo no he tenido la otra oportunidad que facilitarle a ella que tenga un abogado de inmigración que le pueda hacer sugerencia.
So we're simply asking this matter be set for a jury trial date.
Y esto no me queda más que esta comparecencia se ponga un juicio con jurado y establecer una fecha para lo mismo.
And I am still hopeful that Mr. Bowman and I can work this matter out in an amicable way.
Y yo espero que yo pueda trabajar con el abogado Bowman este asunto de una manera amigable.
Anything more from the people? No, Your Honor.
¿Hay algo más por la fiscalía? No, su señoría.
All right, jury trial date is going to be April the 29th at 9 a.m.
Y para el juicio con jurado lo vamos a establecer para el 29 de abril a las 9 de la mañana del 2025. 29 de abril del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana.
And Your Honor, just for the record, I do have a homicide trial the week before that that's starting in Wayne County. It should be done that week, but I just want to put the court on notice that I may be calling in if that trial does continue into the 29th.
Su señoría, yo quiero hacerle saber a la corte que para que queden actas que yo tengo un juicio de homicidio la semana anterior que empezaría en el condado de Wayne. Yo debería terminarlo esa semana, pero quiero que la corte esté notificada de que puedo tener un problema de retirarme, de no poder asistir para el día 29 de abril.
All right, I have May the 13th.
Yo también tengo la posibilidad de hacerlo el 13 de mayo.
Your Honor, I think we should keep the 29th. The 13th, I'm in another homicide trial, and this one is in Lansing, so.
Su señoría, yo creo que vamos a dejarlo para el 29 de abril. Yo tengo otro caso en Lansing de homicidio el día 13 de mayo.
The 13th is not a good day for me.
Y el 13 no es un día bueno para mí tampoco.
All right, let's do it April the 29th at 9 a.m. Let's set a final pretrial date for April the 28th, and all parties must appear.
Y entonces vamos a quedar de acuerdo en que sería el 29 de abril a las 9 de la mañana para una audiencia preliminar al juicio. Sería el día 28 y todas las partes deben comparecer.
If there are any motions that are going to be filed by either side, let's make sure those are done.
Y si hay algunas mociones o que se van a ser introducidas, yo espero que estas estén listas para el día previo a la audiencia previa al juicio.
By April the 18th.
Y
and
que estas
responses
sean,
the 25th.
sometidas el 18 de abril y serán, se les dará tendrán una respuesta el 25 de abril.
Let's make sure that there's agreed upon jury instructions.
Y yo quiero que estemos también de acuerdo en lo que serán las instrucciones que le vamos a dar al jurado.
And then all the other court rules as it relates to discovery and what have you are about that.
Y todas las evidencias que estén relacionadas con con este caso y la parte corporal deban estar establecidas para esa fecha.
Anything, and that can be appearance by on final pretrial by either Zoom or in person. Thank you.
Y yo quiero que quede constatado de que para ese día la comparecencia puede ser a través de Zoom o en persona.
And obviously the trial date, jury trial date will be in person.
Y obviamente para el juicio con jurado, la comparecencia tiene que ser en persona.
Hopefully you guys can work this out and it won't be necessary, but if so, we'll be here. Yes, sir.
Y yo espero que ustedes puedan arreglar este asunto durante este periodo, pero si no, tendrán que comparecer acá a la corte para el juicio con jurado.
Anything further from either side? No, Your Honor. Thank you.
¿Algo por ambas partes? ¿Algo más que agregar? No, su señoría.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
No, muchas gracias, su señoría.
All right, Mr. Arturo, that'll conclude the hearing for today. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Ok, señor Otero, esto termina. Con esto culminamos la audiencia del día de hoy. Yo le deseo mucha suerte y que usted tenga un excelente día.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. The same to you.
All right, thank you. All right. Thank you, Officer Rios. Thank you, Your Honor. All right, good morning, Ms. Walker. Let's go with, I can get, excuse me, Mr. Obama. You can come on up. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Donatus Wilson Obama, case number SP 1620481. Appearance for the record, please, someone.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Obama.
Donatus Wilson Obama.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I know this is Ms. Barrett's case, but I don't see an Officer Smith. I don't see an Officer Smith. Have not seen that person sign in. Go ahead, Mr. Barrett.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness.
All right, case dismissed, no officer. Best of luck to you, Mr. Obama. And have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, who are we ready on?
We're ready on Ms.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Owens. Ms. Owens, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to enter a plea as charged to the on-docket matter, the off-docket matter, Park After Dark, to be dismissed.
Sure. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Owens?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
You talking to me?
Yes. Get up, man. Get up, get up, get up. It's not nap time. You act like you're in court, all right? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Gary, over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Mr. Berry went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Oh, yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
And anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No. No.
Okay, who is Lawrence Wheeler?
That's my ex-boyfriend.
All right, Mr. Berry, if she's gonna plead to this, she can back her out. I'm gonna make her take an anger management class as well. That'll be and you're to pay the $500 in a month. You're to take an anger management class and take a firearms safety course, and you're gonna take those in a month. You can, since I gave her sort of a cops in the beginning and I didn't include the anger management class, so if she wants to change her mind, she can do so.
No, it's okay.
You're willing to accept that offer?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 30th, 2024 at around 2:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit, around Biltmore and Pembroke. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And what did you do? Did you discharge this firearm at the tires of this vehicle?
Yes.
You let somebody get you so upset that you do something like this, ma'am?
Yes, and yes.
You definitely need an anger management class and definitely a gun safety class. You're lucky this didn't kill somebody. All right, I'm gonna find her guilty as charged. $500 is gonna be the fine. It's gonna be due in a month. It's gonna be a 12-month delayed sentence. You should take an anger management class. You can give her the number to eBay. That's the only place that I know that offhand that has anger management and gun safety. So I'm gonna set this matter for review in a month.
You said the 12-month delay, that was for me getting my CPO back?
I don't know, and I really don't care about your CPL. If it were up to me, I would never allow you to have a handgun again, but it's not up to me. If you have lost it enough to shoot at somebody's tires, it's my opinion that you don't even deserve to ever have a gun again. But that's up to you and the state of Michigan and whatever the statute says about you being able to get your CPL, okay?
No, I was asking for the delay that you was talking about.
Delay is the case will be dismissed if you don't get any other tickets of this nature like that in 12 months. Ms. Matt, it's a 12-month date, please.
12-month date, just 1 month.
All right, so eBay, let me give you the number to eBay and maybe you can get that. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat as well. That email address, you can send me the anger management course completion and the gun safety course completion. I hope you take something out of this whole ordeal here, ma'am. And I hope you really get something out of these classes. And I hope you're ready to be able to discuss with the court what you got out of the classes.
Judge, March the 3rd, 2026.
It's gonna be your 12-month review is gonna be March the 3rd, but come back April the 4th. Come back April the 4th at 8:25. Let's make sure that this $500 is paid. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. And let's make sure you at least have the anger management and the gun safety class set up. Hopefully you'll have it done by then, okay?
Okay.
I put my email.
You said the number. I was waiting on the number that you said you was gonna give me.
Give me the number to eBay, Ms. Mathis, please. I'll put that in the chat as well.
It's 313-864-8205.
You said 8205?
05. It's in the chat, ma'am.
Okay.
313-648-2005. And set those classes up and come back on April the 4th at 8:25. I wish you the best of luck. I'm glad nothing more happened out of that situation. And I hope you really get something out of these classes, all right?
I have already learned my lesson. Definitely have.
All right. We'll see. Time will tell.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Best of luck to you, man. All right. Counselor on Mr. Oakley, what's going to go on with that case?
Certainly, Judge. I've had an opportunity to speak to the city attorney regarding this matter. Due to my client's diligent efforts and corrective measures, all charges would be dismissed for compliance, Judge.
Let's get your client out of the breakout room. I'm going to try to force him out.
Thank you, Judge. He had some issues. He's in 5.
Okay, I'm here, John. Chris.
Morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus James. Police case number SP-164-77501, SP-164-775-1, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP-164-7913, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Certainly, Judge. For the record, Christopher John Posios, P69218, on behalf of Mr. Oakley in this matter.
Mr. Oakley, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
James Edward Oakley.
All right, good morning. Corporal Hayward, good morning to you. State your name, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Yes, good morning. It's my understanding that you reached a resolution to dismiss the cases.
I haven't talked to anyone.
Do you want to speak to the city?
I'll be back in a couple of minutes. I would like to, yes.
All right, go join the room. I'll give you the opportunity to speak. Go to breakout room 1 and speak to Mr. Bowman, please. Let's pass the map. All right. Who are we ready on? Mr. Giacconi, are you there? Kona, are you there?
Did Officer Hendricks ever return?
I don't believe so. I talked to Mr. Berry. Mr. Giacomo, I'm sorry. On the iPhone, you're in the room. You have to turn your camera on. What's your name, please? iPhone. I just let you in the room. Start your camera, please.
I'm trying to set up a court date.
What is your name? Good morning to you, ma'am.
Diane Green.
Diane Green?
I'm trying to set up a court date.
Okay, give me a second, all right?
Yes.
Good morning to you. Is that with one E? Is that with the E or no E?
No E.
Hello? What's your middle name, please?
Randall.
Don't have one.
You don't have one? Miss
No.
Green, let's get this warrant off of Miss Green. All right. What's your date of birth, ma'am?
7/13/1960.
This is the city of Detroit versus Diane Green. Case number SP-163333791. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Green, please state your name.
State your name
Diane
for
Green.
Ms. Green. The day is the date and time. We're going to call the date and time set for a arraignment on the warrant. Ms. Harris, go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Green's behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm just going to set a trial date for you on this. It's going to be April the 28th, 2025. That's your next court date, okay? April the 28th at 9 a.m.
They gave me one for March the 14th.
I'm resetting that date.
Oh.
The warrant is lifted, okay? April the 28th.
Okay. April the 28th.
Right. That was set for arraignment. That was set for arraignment. We just did the arraignment right now, so it expedite things for you, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Green, I'll see you back on April the 28th. Best of luck to you, all right?
April the 28th at 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30. Same.
Okay,
all right.
thank
Best
you.
to you. All right. All right, Ms. Barrett, you have a couple of people here. Let's go with Mr. Bowman. What happened to your officer Hendricks?
And what case are we referring to?
Giacomo.
And that is 9 o'clock?
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Hendricks, I can I have a phone number for Officer Hendricks. I've spoken with Officer Hendricks.
All right, get him back in here, please.
Okay.
All right, what are we gonna do with Oakley? Are we ready on Oakley?
I believe we.
Did you speak to Corporal Hayward in the breakout room 1?
Yeah, Mr. Polios, can you meet me and Officer Hayward in breakout room 1, please?
Happy to do so. One moment.
All right. Let's call it. Let's call the city of. Let's get Gregory Lewis.
Hello.
Yeah. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm well.
That's good.
Do you have a middle name, sir?
Randall, Randall, Senior.
It's the city of Detroit versus Gregory Randall Lewis Sr. Case number SP 161798, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Anybody, any lawyer available?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, sir.
Gregory Lewis Sr.
All
Your
right,
Honor,
today.
for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. There's an allegation of failure to yield to emergency vehicle.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Listen, wait a minute, please. He already says it wasn't him, so we can set a trial date on it. We set a trial date on it because speak to your attorney, Mr. Lewis. Mr. Berry, if the people don't have any objection to setting that matter aside, I'll let him be heard on that matter. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, have a conversation with Mr. Berry, and let us know what you want to do. He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Barrett, I have DeAntoine. Did I get that pronunciation correct?
Yeah, you were close, Your Honor. DeAntoine.
DeAntoine, good morning. All right, Ms. Barrett, I have DeAntoine Owens, let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus DeAntoine Latrell Owens, case number SP 1630577, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 163057741. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of DeAntoine Owens.
All right, Mr. Owens, state your name for the record, please.
DeAntoine Latrell Owen.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Hassick, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Owens, please? He's not here. Go in the breakout room, Mr. Barry, he was here. I let him leave on one case, and I don't know if he didn't know that he had another case or if he thought I was telling him on both of the cases. Ms. Barrett, go talk to Mr. I just passed the matter. All right, what about Ms. Barrett, are you there? Okay, let's go with Grantham. Who do you have, Ms. Harris?
Mr. Giaccona?
Have you spoken to Mr. Bowman about it?
You just asked him to contact Officer Hendricks.
Go in there and find out if he's done. All right. Mr. Barry has someone. Ms. Grantham? That's Attorney Miller. Is Attorney Miller here? Have you spoken with Attorney Miller?
No.
Never, huh? Hold on one second. Charleston never showed. This is the city of Detroit versus Melissa Grantham, case number B 136-81524. State your name for the record, please.
Melissa Grantham.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial on the court zone, but Mr. Charleston, Officer Charleston, guess from the animal control, I don't see that officer has ever showed Mr. Bowman.
Can we dismiss the case then?
That's what I want to do. Grant the motion to dismiss. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. All right. What about is Ajay D here?
Yes.
There we go. Good morning to you, ma'am. Did I get the pronunciation?
Denaji.
Denaji?
Yeah.
That's your mom there?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning to you, mom.
1 second. So, Judge, you ready for it?
Well, what's gonna go down?
Your Honor, this is an evidentiary hearing.
I gotta give you a.
Concerning the breathalyzer test. And it's on video, and the video, if you watch the last, probably take about 15 minutes to watch, watch it or something.
Hold on.
If the prosecutor's not ready, the police officer's supposed to be here who took it. He's not here, the matter get dismissed.
Mr. Bowman, unmute yourself, please.
And it's just we're gonna go to record.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
What's going on with this evidentiary hearing?
An evidentiary hearing is news to me.
Let's see the file. I don't know who was here at the time.
I was here, Prosecutor Bowman was here, Judge was here. Was here.
Evidentiary hearing 2/6/2025 at 10 a.m. It got rescheduled to 3/3/2025 at 10 a.m. Well,
Mr. Soroki, who's your client's name?
let's call it. Let's call it. Step up, Miss Lee. This is the city of Detroit versus Denaji Gwendolyn Lee, case number Z8094091, SP 1622369, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Bowman?
May it please the court, Your Honor, Victor Bowman, P33764 for the people.
Alan Soroki, P37441. Appearing to be up the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Denaji Gwendolyn Amina Lee.
Say that again?
Denaji Gwendolyn Amina Lee.
Amina Lee, okay. All right, today is the date and time. It was set in our file for evidentiary hearing, Mr. Bowman.
Also in person.
In light of that this was a scheduled evidentiary hearing, the people have no issue with dismissal.
Defendant accepts the dismissal, Your Honor.
You dodged a big time bullet this time, Miss Lee. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you, Mom, for appearing. Court recognizes that, and I don't know if the allegations are true, but if they are, you need to adjust your behaviors. There's absolutely no reason to drive ever, but especially in this day and age when you've had even one drink of alcohol. Because keep in mind, just because the .08 statute says that's automatic game, set, match in most cases, you could still be charged and convicted of a drunk driving offense with only one sip of alcohol. Am I correct?
That's correct, under .08.
Under .08, if you've had some alcohol and that alcohol has affected your ability to drive that motor vehicle, then you could potentially be convicted of that. So it doesn't make any sense, ma'am. It's just too many ways to get home. And I'm sure you've taken your mother away from work today. And am I right, Miss Lee? Is it Miss Lee?
Evans.
Miss Evans, step up and state your name, please.
Taja Evans.
You had to work today?
Yes.
And you took off the day of work, didn't you?
Yes.
And you would be happy to come to any place your daughter called you at any time, day or night, to come pick her up if she needed a ride home, wouldn't you? You see how easy that is? All right. Case dismissed, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you, Ms. Evans, and best of luck, Mr. Soroki.
Thank you. Your Honor, is that dismissal with prejudice or without prejudice?
What does the court rule say?
I think you have to be in panel a jury or have a ruling on the trial.
So it's without.
So it's without prejudice?
Most motions are without.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Thank you.
you know what that means? That means they could come back. Well, I mean, you don't know that. Maybe you do got some inside information. I don't know. All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Your Honor, if I may, we have 3 tickets listed at the trial status for Sanana LaShawn Lunn, L-U-N-N. I've contacted, Officer Douthard, D-O-U-T-H-A-R-D, has contacted me. He has no recollection. And so
Well, Lund never did show back up. Lund never showed.
Really? Oh, okay. Well, they're not as lucky as I thought.
I mean, if he has no recollection, I don't know if we should try to get this off of our caseload, because unless he's gonna be able to recollect at some point in the future, but if that's gonna be up to you, whether you want to dismiss or not.
We'll do a dismissals, Your Honor. The officer came in and requested dismissals of the 3 tickets written by him.
All right, what are we gonna do with the what are we gonna do with Mr. Oakley's cases?
Your Honor, hello again. I had an opportunity to speak to the corporal regarding this matter.
Hold on. Let's go back on the record with James Oakley. I'm sorry. Go ahead, Counsel. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Judge. Back on the record for Christopher Pozios, attorney on behalf of Mr. James Oakley. Off the record, brief discussion with the corporal and citing these violations, and had a discussion where all charges would be dismissed except I would enter a plea of responsible, and I have authority to enter a plea of responsible on behalf of my client for the violation for the annual inspection for the vehicle.
Okay.
Which is a simple infraction for the record.
Very well. Where's Oakley's file? Okay, I have it right here. I don't have the file actually, Ms. Mathis, but all right. So violation of what now?
The annual inspection for the vehicle.
What case, what number is that? That's the registration? Is that what?
Your Honor, that would be ticket NN 7751, count 2.
77512. All right, and that is $170 fine. That's what it is here. So you want to take the deal, Mr. Oakley? Where's Mr. Oakley? I think he's back in 5 again.
Can I jump into 5? Let him know. Then we'll leave there together, Judge.
Go ahead. I'm trying to. Wow. He's out now. Now he's in. Knew that was going to happen.
Hi. Okay.
Hi.
Mr. Pozios.
All right, Judge, I'm back. He wasn't in 5.
He's in there now. He came out just as soon as you went in.
Thank you, Judge. Heading out right now. Thank you for your patience.
No. Hold on. Let's put this on the record. Mr. Oakley, there's been a settlement agreement entered as you pleading as charged to one of the motor carrier failure to inspection. I understand that's $170 civil infraction. Will you agree to that? All other cases dismissed.
Yeah, I guess I will, sir.
All right. Do you want to speak with your lawyer regarding it, or do you want to just go ahead and take the deal?
Well, let me speak to my lawyer, please.
Okay. Join the room again, and we'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. All right. What's going to go on with Mr. Lewis, Randall Lewis, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, Mr. Lewis requires trial and appointment of counsel.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory Randall Lewis Sr. This is you want an appointed attorney, sir? Mr. Randall Lewis Sr. He needs to press to unmute himself.
Yes.
All right. Now you understand there's no driving in court and there's no wearing hats or anything in court. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And because you're on Zoom, you're treated as if you're in court.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
All right. What is a good phone? I got a phone number 248-837 9630, is that a good number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna give you 2 dates. The first date is the most important. It's gonna be April the 7th, 2025 at 8:30.
We're leaving in about 15
The next date is gonna be April the 28th at 9 a.m. Come back April the 7th. That date is set for you to let us know that you got that appointed attorney and you've talked to that attorney. If you happen to talk to that attorney by that date, then we will get you an attorney appointed on the spot. You need to answer calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Okay.
All right, April the 7th, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You too. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You as well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
No, Judge, we need to be put in a breakout room, and so does Manuel Martin.
All right, so Martinez, I'm gonna put Martinez in 6. I'm gonna put Owens in 5. And then I'm gonna put Owens in 7. And I'm gonna put yes, and I'm gonna put the interpreter in 5 as well. In 6 as well.
And you put Mr.
So go to Owens first
Okay.
and 7. Go to Owens first and 7, and then go to back to 6. All right, Ms. Harris, what about Giacomo? She's talking right now. Mr. Berry, Mr. Bowman is willing to dismiss this one case, despite the fact that the defendant never showed. City of Detroit versus Sienna LaShawn Lund, case number SB 1547825, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lund.
All right, Ms. Lund is not here, but the officer indicated he appeared and indicated that he did not have any recollection. So in order to get this off our books, we will grant her this extraordinary motion to dismiss, even though she was not in person. I will say for the record that she is in a, no. She has review dates for other cases. She owes a lot of other money, so she's not as if she's going to be off the hook for any of this stuff. She has review dates for 11/14/2025 in a lot of the cases. So we'll dismiss these ones that she on there today. There's no sense in keeping the cases on the docket because the officer did say, and I marked the file that the officer appeared because he spoke to Mr. Bowman.
Yeah,
and
yes,
since
present.
because the officer does not recollect the incident, so we'll dismiss. All right, are we ready on Oakley?
We are, Judge.
Let's go back on the record with Oakley. Mr. Oakley, you understand now what's going on?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea counsel on your client's behalf.
Yes, Judge, on the date and time, we stipulate to the factual basis for the plea of responsible for the annual inspection.
And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
We do so stipulate, Judge.
All right, fine you $170, Mr. Oakley. When can you pay it?
Could we have 7 days, Your Honor?
All right, 7 days is March the 17th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, Mr. Oakley, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Judge.
Have a good day.
Have a good day, everyone.
All right, counselor, see you next time. All right, what about these 2 files that they have? Any review privilege? All right, what's gonna go on with Mr. Giacomo? All right, Corporal Hayward, be safe out there.
You too, sir. Take care.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Andrew Giacomo, Mr. Barry, Mr. Bowman. Did you get in touch with Mr. Hendricks, Officer Hendricks?
I have a call out to him, and I believe Ms. Harris and I have come to resolution.
What's the resolution?
There's an offer being extended to my client. He could admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over. He just joined the breakout room, so I'm going to go and speak to him about that.
Oh, for the record, Your Honor, I've talked to Officer Hendricks 2-3 times. She is having severe difficulty in being allowed into the breakout room and or the main room.
Well, she was in here all morning, and I did tell her on a one case that she could leave. That was going to be on. She had 2 cases, so I told her. Well, maybe I didn't tell her that. Maybe that wasn't her that I spoke to.
That wasn't her, Your Honor. That was Officer Hassick who had 2.
That was Officer Hassick, but she was in here all morning, and then I guess she fell off. I don't know if her device disconnected or not, but she was in here all morning. All right, so let's pass the matter and let's go. Mr. Giacomo, have you spoke with him?
I did not. I'm placing you in another breakout room. Could you join it for me, please?
All right, let's pass the matter. Are we? Cortez Gates never showed.
Okay.
Is he supposed to do
He
community
has a
service?
6-month delay sentence. He has a 6-month delay. Pay $335. He never did. He was KPS, but he had a date out, so I took it off. So his file is downstairs because he failed to appear on one of his dates.
I don't know.
So I can pull the file and set it for show cause.
You can do that.
Okay.
I'll just show. What about lead part? What happened?
Lead part, that was just a payment due date. He paid this report.
I don't see that he paid it.
I just credited it.
Oh, it's paid now? It
Yeah, he
wasn't
just
paid
paid
this
it.
morning.
Yeah, it was a payment due date. So he must have just paid it.
All right.
I'll pull Cortez file and set it for show cause. He failed to appear back in November. Because he had additional date out there.
Lead part is already dismissed then, right?
No, I didn't do it yet. I just
It
showed
looks
it.
like it is. That's
If
be
they
127.
Sometimes they close it out.
Let's see if they did it right.
They don't know. They can't dismiss. They cannot close.
They did close it.
They did. Is it
So was
dismissed
it?
upon payment?
Well, I don't know. No, it wasn't dismissed upon payment.
Okay, so it's just closed.
So that's good.
Okay.
So we don't have to do nothing.
Gates.
And that would be it, if we get rid of, 2 Miss Barrett has. Fitzgerald Harris was here. Why was he here?
Fitzgerald.
Officer Fitzgerald Harris. I don't see, he just wanted to stop by, I guess. He did appear, unless he was on. He's. Mateo was here too. And he was here on Garcia. Mateo is here. Okay. All right. Good morning to you, folks. All right. So we have Garcia and Owens. Owens is set to pick a plea. And we'll wait on Miss Barrett to come in, get you out of here as soon as we can, Mr. Owens. What's going to be on with Mr. Giacomo? Is that the 1 to 5?
Yes.
Responsible, limited access 1 to 5.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Giacomo. Mr. Giacomo, limited access 1 to 5, $125. You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir. But if I could get a little bit time to pay that, I just buried my wife last Wednesday, and my money is tight right now.
I'm very sorry to hear that, sir. Our condolences go out to you and your family, all right? All right.
Thank you.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Wait, oops, so stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Giacomo, I'm gonna no fine you, all right?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir, and our condolences go out, all right? Limited
Thank you, Your
access.
Honor.
All right. Garcia Martinez. Yeah. We're waiting on your lawyer to come out, Mr. Owens. I can't hear you.
I did. Am I able to speak?
If you want, why would you want to speak without your lawyer?
No, my name isn't spelled correctly in the participants. They have like the name. My name isn't spelled right. That's all I wanted to say.
D, it's just a D instead of the I.
Yeah, it's spelled DANTIONE. DANTIONE. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. let's, are we ready on Owens?
Yes.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus D'Antonio Latrell Owens, case number SP 1630574, count 1, SP 1630577, count 1 and count 2. Karen, for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Beard on behalf of Deontay Owens. Judge, there's a plea offer for him today. On the open alcohol case, per the city attorney, Bowman, that there's no officer listed, so we make a motion that be dismissed. Then the other two counts, no insurance misdemeanor would be reduced to improper plates, and then improper equipment would be dismissed. Wants to waive his rights to a bench trial, jury trial, take that plea offer.
Your Honor, I may have been mistaken as it relates to Deontay Owens. Officer Hassick is here. And the offer to that is improper equipment as charged. And then the second ticket as it relates to Officer Hassick is no insurance misdemeanor, and that is an improper plate.
What about the, so the motion was dismissal for no officer, so that's not correct. Officer Hassick was here. Where is Officer Hassick now?
I have his phone number, Your Honor.
All right, so Officer Hassick did appear on time, Miss Barrett.
But wait a minute, I was going by what Prosecutor Bowman said, so I guess I'm trying to understand. He's saying, are you saying something different now?
No, I'm saying what I said before. Officer Hassick is here, has checked in on 2 tickets as it relates to Deontay Latrell Owens.
It'll be 3 tickets because he's got one written on another ticket, so
right.
All of them at the same time. A window tint ticket, a no insurance ticket, and an open alcohol and motor vehicle driver ticket.
We'll dismiss the window tint as the improper equipment. I'll dismiss that.
Okay, so then I just need.
Go ahead.
So the plea offer is, just so I'm clear.
Mr. Bowman.
Passenger to the open alcohol driver, improper plate as it relates to the no insurance misdemeanor, and a dismissal as to the improper equipment.
Okay, that's not the plea that I wrote down. I wrote down improper plates, no officer on the alcohol, dismissal, and then dismissal of improper equipment.
There'd be
That's
no
what
way
I told.
that it is no way that I would have dismissed an open alcohol driver where an officer is present.
Okay, well, you indicated that there was no officer listed. That's how I came up with that, based on what you told me. So now you're saying the officer is listed.
Officer Hassick is listed on 2 of these tickets.
Do you want us to get Officer Hassick back in here, Ms. Barrett?
No, I just want to get clear what's going on, because when I spoke to him in the breakout room, he said there wasn't a police officer listed on the open alcohol.
I need to know what the officers are going to leave too. Just let me know if you've got the officer's number. Then
I'll call him right now.
Well,
the problem is my client didn't know that, and neither did I, and we went by what he told me, and that's what I told him. So the question is, does he want to take the plea offer, sir? Plea offer.
Yeah. You can speak with him in a breakout room about it.
Okay, he was in room 7, so I need you to go back into the breakout room, Mr. Owens.
Okay.
All right, go back in the breakout room. Let's pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Garcia? Martinez? Ms. Barrett? Was that Officer Hassick the one I said can leave on one case and they had another case?
I believe so, Your Honor, and you told the officer to remain.
I did say that, but they didn't. I don't know why they do that. Said you can leave on Lindsay, but you still have, and then I noticed. Um, are we ready on Owens?
Right, we're gonna have to get the officer back and go over the, we got the body cam video, so he wants to have a trial, he doesn't want to play that.
All right, are we ready on Garcia?
I needed to speak to the prosecutor one time again about Mr.
All right, go on court, please. All right. All right, officer, how does it go to 4? Speak to Mr. Bowman, please.
Excellent. Excellent.
They stopped I was watching on Reasonable Doubt. But I stopped watching it. I don't know if they got any new.
I finished it. You stopped.
I think I finished it. I don't know if they have any new ones, but it kind of got stale after so long.
Yes, baby, you know, all that. Yeah, that was the end. I don't think.
Okay, they haven't had any more.
I think the Life Paradise, because it's, if you don't read up on what it's about, you know.
Oh, we're supposed to have a group coming on Friday. On Friday.
Ms. Barrett?
She's in the breakout room with her client.
We'll probably have some resolution.
Okay. So Mr. Crosby, the guy that comes in here every now and then, and sits and just watches. Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna bring a group of his students in, and on Friday, so we're gonna kind of do a question and answer afterwards and stuff like that. Okay. Are we ready on Mr. Garcia?
Yes. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
All right, Ms. Barrett, just wait till Mr. Diaz gets to interpret as well, okay?
Ok, vamos a tener al señor Díaz como intérprete de nuevo.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Manuel Antonio Garcia Martinez, case number SP 15733-233, SP 15733-23, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Y este es el caso del señor García Manuel García, donde tenemos las causas número 16 SP 166371 y con el cargo número 2.
Right, Melita Baird on behalf of Manuel Martinez.
Yo soy el abogado Malita Barrett por el defendido señor Manuel Martínez García.
All right, there's been an offer made to Mr. Martinez. He will be pleading guilty to open alcohol passenger. No license will be reduced to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and no insurance would be dismissed. Okay, let me.
Y nosotros tenemos para el señor Martínez una oferta al cual él ha aceptado de tener estar manejando sin una licencia por el cargo de manejar en ese momento sin la licencia y tener una botella de alcohol abierta en el pasajero, en el lado del pasajero, y nosotros estamos quitando, se le está haciendo un sobreseimiento del cargo de que no tenía seguro.
So, he's waiving his rights to a bench trial, jury trial.
Y él está renunciando a sus derechos de tener un juicio con jurado o un juicio con juez.
And also for the record, Mr. Martinez understands that his status in the United States at the current time is not legal. And as a result of that, taking these pleas, he could possibly be deported. I'll let you say that.
Y nosotros quiero que quede reflejado en actas que el señor Martínez, García Martínez, no está legal en este país y estos cargos le podrían traer problemas a él de ser deportado.
And also for the record, as I explained to Mr. Martinez, I'm not an immigration attorney, so I cannot give him advice as to whether he'll be deported or not.
Y yo quiero también que quede reflejado en actas que yo no soy una abogada de inmigración y yo no le puedo dar ningún consejo en cuanto a los casos de inmigración se refiere y de que él puede ser deportado.
But the offenses he will be pleading to could result in deportation.
Ya que las ofensas o delitos que él ha cometido son sujetos a deportación.
Okay, Officer Mateo, can you, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Y,
Officer Botello, Detroit Police Department, badge 374.
sí, yo soy el oficial Mateo por el departamento de Botello, el departamento de policía de Detroit.
All right, Mr. Garcia Martinez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Señor Martínez García, buenos días para usted. ¿Usted podría decir su nombre completo para que queden actas?
Sí, mi nombre es Manuel Antonio García Martínez.
Yes, my name is Manuel Antonio García Martínez.
Okay, do you have anything to say regarding what your attorney has put on the record?
¿Usted tiene algo que decir de lo que el abogado suyo ha dejado reflejado en actas?
No, todo bien.
No.
And you want to take the deal, sir?
¿Y usted quiere aceptar ese acuerdo acusatorio, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Usted puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted afirma decir la verdad, solamente la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar su mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $5 in fine?
Y usted entiende que la máxima, con este delito, lo conlleva una máxima pena de 93 días de cárcel y una multa máxima de $500.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand if you're not a United States citizen, a misdemeanor conviction can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y usted entiende que el tener un delito menor en su expediente, eso podría causarle problemas con inmigración.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene derecho a tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
A usted se le leyeron sus derechos cuando estuvo reunido con su abogado.
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que usted aceptando este acuerdo está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y hay alguien más que le haya ofrecido algo aparte de lo que ha quedado aquí registrado en actas?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 13th, 2024 at around 9:27 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Déjeme llevarlo al día de abril del 2024. Usted estaba manejando en la calle de Michigan con Livernois cuando a usted lo detuvo un agente de policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Usted estaba manejando un vehículo.
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el oficial le pidió a usted que le demostrara una licencia de conducir válida.
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
Y usted no pudo hacer eso, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
Why is that?
¿Por qué es eso?
Porque no, pues no lo traía.
Because I didn't have it.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle, sir?
Y usted tenía, yo voy a aceptar eso de que no lo tenía, lo voy a enmendar como una licencia que no la tenía. ¿Usted tenía alcohol en ese vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
¿Qué tipo de alcohol tenía usted?
Pues dicen que una botella nomás vacía. No sé qué marca.
I had a bottle that was empty. I don't know what else.
All right, if he says he has a bottle that's empty, then if there's no other alcohol that he's going to admit to, then we're going to have to hold a trial on that.
Si usted dice que usted no tenía una botella vacía y que no había ningún otro tipo de alcohol ahí, nosotros vamos a tener que entonces ir a un juicio.
¿Por qué un juicio? Perdón. Juicio, pero no se iba a hacer lo otro de.
But didn't we talk about getting a deal?
Well, the deal was open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, but you're indicating to the court that you had a bottle, but it was empty.
Nosotros habíamos, el acuerdo era que había una botella de alcohol en el pasajero, en el asiento del pasajero, pero usted acaba de decir que esa botella de alcohol estaba vacía.
No recuerdo qué marca era la botella.
I don't remember what brand was that bottle.
It's not the question of what brand it was right now. The question is actually, was there anything in the container? And you answered no to that question. You said that the bottle was empty.
El asunto no es qué marca era la botella. El asunto es que a usted se le hizo una pregunta de que había alcohol en su carro y usted respondió que esa botella estaba vacía.
Oh, no estaba vacía.
No, it was not empty.
So what was in the container?
¿Qué había En el contenido de esta botella.
Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Okay, so are you saying that there was something in the container now, but you don't know what type of alcohol it was?
Usted está diciendo entonces que había algo en esa botella, pero que usted no se recuerda de qué tipo de alcohol había en esa botella.
Yes. Sí.
Yes.
But you know that it was alcohol in the container, and was the container open?
Y usted sabía que había alcohol en ese contenedor y ese contenedor estaba abierto, esa botella estaba abierta.
Sí.
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
Señora Barrett.
Yes.
Sí.
All right, the court is satisfied. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of open alcohol on motor vehicle passenger. The fine is going to be $240. I'm not going to fine you for the allowance.
Yo entonces la corte también está satisfecho y la corte lo encuentra usted culpable por haber estado manejando con un vehículo sin tener la licencia en ese entonces y por tener una botella de alcohol abierta en el lado del pasajero. Yo no lo voy a poner, yo le voy a poner una multa de $240 por tener una botella de alcohol abierta, pero no le voy a poner una multa por no tener la licencia, que es el cargo enmendado.
And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
A un acuerdo de culpabilidad en este caso.
All right.
Por motivación fundada.
$240, sir. When can you pay it?
Señor, ¿cuándo podría usted pagar los $240?
Tal vez en 2 semanas que cobre.
Maybe in 2 weeks when I get my paycheck.
All right, pay it by the 17th of March 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Your Honor, you said March the 17th, right? In
March 17th, yeah.
Okay. Tiene que pagar antes del 17 de marzo. Usted lo puede pagar bien sea en línea, metiéndose a la dirección de la corte, o la puede pagar en los kioscos, o puede hacerlo personalmente también viniendo a la corte 36. Yo le deseo mejor de los suertes a usted y que tenga un buen día.
Igualmente, buen día.
Thank you, Your Honor, and you also have a good day.
All right, best of luck to you.
La mejor de las suertes a ustedes, ya se puede retirar.
All right, Mr. Diaz, have a very good day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor, for giving me the opportunity to serve you here in your court. It's
Thank
always
you
a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
All right, Miss Baird, go back in the breakout room with Mr. Bowman on Bowman.
Thank you.
All right,
Okay.
let's call the city of Detroit versus Audie Lionel Ginier, case number SP 1657501, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, this is Audie Ginyard.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Ginyard, please state your name.
Audie Ginyard.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Why are you so late, sir?
Sir, I apologize. I lost track of the dates. I didn't know. I forgot it was today. I thought it was tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Day and date time set for a pretrial. Get Mr. Ginyard updated offer. Mr. Ginyard, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna have a conversation with you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, and counsel, I've given you an opportunity to pre-try what's gonna be the resolution, if any. Officer Hasek, can you put your appearance on the record, please? I'm sorry.
Good morning, Officer Justin Hester, badge.
Judge, here's where
yeah.
we're at. I went in, I spoke to the prosecutor again, and now there's been a new offer made to my client, more in line with what we had talked about in the beginning. Dismissing the open alcohol, dismissing and improper equipment, and then the no insurance will go to improper plates. And I do believe, I can go back in and talk to him again, but Mr. Owens will want to accept that offer.
You
Correct,
won't?
Officer Owens? I'm sorry.
Yes, I agree.
Okay.
You wanna accept the offer?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And have you gone over his advice or rights, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Owens. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything what's been stated in the record?
Oh, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 4th, 2024, around 5:30 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Lenox Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
Correct.
Why is that?
Just finances just being laid off for the moment, but I actually did not know that it was expired because I was under the impression that I had did like a no fault 6 month, but it's just more of me not having the education about it. That's all.
All right, but you're not going to contest that you had valid insurance, are you, at that time?
No.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates, $240 is fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. The stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other two matters now.
So stipulated.
All right, when can you pay $240, Mr. Owens?
Can I ask the court that I get about 2 weeks?
You can get 2 weeks.
Okay. Just till the end of the month would be fine, if you could.
End of the month or 2 weeks? 2 weeks is the middle of the month.
Okay, the end of the month.
All right, come back April the 4th, 2025 at 8:25. Pay it and at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, April the 4th, best of luck to you. I hope you get back to work soon, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. See you later.
Have a good day. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Audie Ginyard. Mr. Audie Ginyard, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates you want a trial date. That date will be April the 28th at 9 a.m., sir. All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.